live abroad to speak English well?
Or can you actually become fluent right from your bedroom?
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Simple English Space. I'm Anna.
And I'm Bobby.
Today, we're going to break one of the biggest myths about learning English, the idea that you must go overseas to speak well.
That's right. You don't need to move to London or New York. You can learn to speak English easily right at home.
Yes, and in this episode, we'll share powerful tips, motivation, and one simple truth. Your home can be the best English classroom in the world. So, let's start with a question. Why do people think studying abroad is the only way to become fluent?
I think it's because they imagine that being surrounded by native speakers makes it easier. And that's true, but not the only way.
Exactly. With today's technology, you can bring English into your home anytime. Podcasts, YouTube, audiobooks, online friends, you can surround yourself with English without leaving your room.
It's not about location. It's about dedication.
Tip 1. Make English a daily habit.
The first secret is consistency. You don't need 5 hours a day. Even 15 minutes daily can change your life.
Yes, think of it like brushing your teeth. It's small, but you do it every day. And over time, it keeps things clean. English is the same. Small effort, daily results.
Exactly. You can read one page of a book, listen to one short podcast, or write a short sentence in English every morning.
It's not about being perfect. It's about staying connected to English.
Tip 2, turn your room into an English zone.
Right. Label things. Write door, mirror, window on sticky notes. When you see the word every day, it becomes part of your memory.
Yes, and you can change your phone's language to English. It's like free immersion training.
I remember when I did that, it was confusing at first, but after a few days, it felt amazing. You learn by living it, not just studying it.
Tip 3, don't study hard, study smart.
Many people study grammar books for hours, but never speak. That's not smart learning.
Right. Studying smart means focusing on communication first. It's okay if grammar is not perfect.
Exactly. Learn useful phrases like, "Can I help you? How are you today?" That sounds great. And use them daily.
Communication before perfection. That's our golden rule.
Tip 4, think in English. This is a powerful trick. Instead of translating in your head, try to think directly in English.
Yes. For example, when you see the sky, don't say langit in your mind. Say sky.
When you're hungry, think I'm hungry, not saya lapar.
This helps your brain switch naturally to English mode. Over time, sentences will come faster and easier.
Tip 5, make learning fun.
Yes, watch movies with subtitles, sing English songs, play word games, or join online English communities.
When you enjoy the process, your brain remembers better.
Fun makes learning stick.
Let's imagine a short conversation between two friends, Maya and John. Hey, John, how do you study English at home?
Oh, I do small things every day. I listen to podcasts when I cook, I watch short videos before bed, and I read one English paragraph every morning.
Wow, that sounds easy. But don't you feel lonely without a teacher?
Not really. I talk to myself in English. I describe what I'm doing, like, now I'm making coffee, or it's a sunny day. It feels natural.
That's smart. I'll try that too.
Yes, speaking alone helps you get used to forming sentences without fear.
See, you can start small, right where you are. Some learners say, but Anna, I'm shy. I feel afraid to talk.
Let's be honest, everyone feels that way at first. Even native speakers feel nervous in new situations.
Yes, fear is normal, but remember this. Fear gets smaller when action gets bigger.
Exactly. Start speaking even if your voice shakes. The more you practice, the stronger your confidence grows.
You don't have to wait until you're fluent to start speaking. You become fluent because you start speaking.
That's a quote to remember. Let's compare. Studying in class is good because you have a teacher and friends, but studying at home gives you flexibility. You can learn at your own pace.
True. Some people learn better alone. You can pause, repeat, and focus on your weaknesses without pressure.
It's about balance. You can combine both. Take online lessons and practice speaking at home daily.
Exactly. Learning is personal. The best method is the one that makes you keep going. Now, let's test our listeners with 5 important questions about studying English at home.
Great idea. And we'll answer each one with explanations so you can understand deeply.
Question 1. Can I really become fluent without living abroad?
Yes, absolutely. Fluency comes from exposure and consistency, not location. If you listen, speak, read, and think in English every day, you are already living in an English world mentally. Many successful learners never went abroad. They built immersion at home. The key is mindset, not geography.
Question 2. Is it okay to make mistakes when practicing alone?
Definitely. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. When you speak alone, no one is judging you, so you can experiment with words and pronunciation freely. If you record yourself, you can even listen again and learn from those mistakes. Over time, they guide you to improvement.
Question 3. Should I focus more on grammar or speaking?
For home learning, focus on speaking and listening first. Grammar is important, but fluency grows when you use the language actively. You can learn grammar through conversation. For example, when you say, she go to school, and realize it sounds off, you naturally learn it should be, she goes to school. Speaking leads grammar, not the other way around.
Question 4. What should I do if I have no one to practice with?
Easy. Talk to yourself. It sounds funny, but it's powerful. Describe your daily life in English. I'm making breakfast. I'm washing my hands. I feel sleepy. This builds confidence and helps you think in English. You can also join online forums or apps where you can talk to people for free. You're never truly alone in the internet era.
How can I stay motivated when I study alone?
Motivation is like fire. It burns bright but can fade fast. You must protect it. Set small goals like, I'll learn 5 new words today, or I'll watch 1 English video before bed. Reward yourself when you succeed. Remember your why you want to speak English. Maybe it's for travel, work, or confidence. That why will keep you moving even on lazy days.
I love those answers. You know, Bobby, sometimes people expect fast results, but English is a journey.
Yes, it's like growing a tree. You can't see the roots, but they're growing under the surface every day.
Exactly. The small things you do daily build big results later.
So, if today you only listen to this podcast, that's already progress.
Let's give our listeners a few easy daily ideas.
Sure.
Number 1, listen to one English song and write down 5 new words.
Number 2, watch a short video and repeat one sentence aloud 3 times.
Number 3, read a paragraph and summarize it in one simple English sentence.
Number 4, talk to yourself for 1 minute before bed about your day.
Number 5, smile and say, I'm getting better every day, because you really are.
Some learners study too many materials at once. That's a mistake.
Yes, they jump from grammar to slang to business English. It's better to focus on one thing at a time.
Another mistake is studying only passively, just listening or reading without speaking.
You must be active. Repeat what you hear, speak out loud, write sentences. That's how knowledge becomes skill. Let's talk about self-doubt. Many people say, I'll never speak like a native.
You don't need to. You just need to be understood and confident. Accent doesn't matter. Clarity does.
Yes, English is a global language. It belongs to everyone, not just native speakers.
That's true. The goal is communication, not imitation.
Let's give our listeners one more push of motivation.
Okay, if you're listening right now and thinking, I'm too old or I'm too busy, stop that thought.
You're never too old to learn. Every small effort counts.
Even 10 minutes a day is better than none. Small steps lead to big progress.
Remember, your home is your classroom, your phone is your teacher, and your effort is your success key.
Beautifully said.
I want our listeners to remember this. You already have everything you need to succeed.
Yes, you have your mind, your voice, and your willpower.
You don't need perfect conditions. You just need the courage to begin.
Speak English every day, even if it's just one sentence. That's one step closer to fluency.
The secret isn't magic. It's consistency, confidence, and courage. Wow, what a great conversation today, Bobby. I hope everyone listening feels more confident about learning English from home. Remember, you don't need expensive courses or a trip abroad. All you need is your curiosity, your effort, and your consistency.
Exactly. Learning English at home is about building habits. Read something every day. Listen to something you love and speak out loud, even if no one's around. Every small action counts.
And don't forget, making mistakes doesn't mean failure. It means you're trying, and trying is the most important part of learning. Every word you say brings you one step closer to fluency.
That's right. English is not just a subject. It's a tool for connection, confidence, and growth. Use it every day, and you'll see how far you can go.
Before we finish, we have 2 questions for you. Here's the first one. What is one new thing you learned today about studying English at home? And how will you apply it this week?
And the second one, a little preview for our next episode. If you could talk to anyone in English, who would it be and what would you say? Think about that because next time we'll talk about building confidence in English conversations.
Thank you so much for listening to Simple English Space. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, English starts with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos.
See you next time.